So I seem to be feeling slightly better today. Speaking of, I'm going to take some multivitamins. So I'm actually going to put a bit of makeup on just to make myself, I don't know, feel a little bit better. Also, I got on a dark, deep, oh okay, it's not dark at all. I couldn't sleep yesterday and I was watching a bunch of videos. And I ended up watching a bunch of Bon Appetit's videos. And I saw Carla making banana bread and it made me crave it so bad. So, I think I'm going to try and make some banana bread today. Not their recipe. Carla was saying something about like banana bread is like something, to each person something different because it's what they grew up with. Like, and I have a recipe that my mum used from when I was younger. And we've always used that recipe. I don't know if we have everything, but I'm sure we have. I think I can substitute some stuff out. Hopefully. We'll see. If not, I can go and grab something. And then we also have a visitor this evening. A little pupster who I'm sitting. Which will be nice. I just wiped my makeup on my sleeve and now this is dirty. And then that's all for now. I'm currently watching Actors on Actors on YouTube, which is something I love because I don't know, I just like hearing people's opinions on things, and I like listening to other people's voices and hearing what they have to say. And this is all about films and acting and stuff like that, but it relates to like the real world too. I particularly like watching or listening to, because they're not really doing anything, they're just sitting there having a chat for half an hour. But I particularly like listening to British people, British actors and actresses speak. There's no particular reason for that at all, other than I think I just like hearing their voice. It's a good thing I'm British too. So yeah, I'm gonna finish watching that. I'm currently listening to Gary Oldman and Kate Winslet, who I love as actors anyway. Kate Winslet obviously being the icon from Titanic. She's been in plenty of other stuff too. So yeah, I'm gonna put a spot of makeup on, not too much. I mean, I don't ever wear a lot of makeup anyway, but put a bit on and then probably have some breakfast and then make some banana bread. So yeah, let's get on with the morning.
Really get some good fun adventures in before. But I was very nervous.
Okay, doesn't look the best, but that's all the makeup I'm going to do today. Oh my god, I actually look awful. Doesn't look good at all. Well, I've got really bad bags, but I need to put the camera on charge and then make some breakfast, and then we are going to bake. So I also changed my top because I felt really uncomfortable. Okay, so this is the book that we use, battered and old, and this is where the banana bread recipe is. I was looking at it, it's actually wedged with a recipe of another banana bread in here. And I was looking at the recipe and the ingredients that we need, and it seems to be good. Wait, I'm meeting, it's 2 o'clock now, we're meeting at 3. Oh, the banana bread's not going to be ready for my friend. Okay, we'll do this as quick as possible. What I need, let me get the ingredients I need. This recipe also, I mean, you can see how much I've used it. There's like stains all over the pages. It says to also put walnuts and cherries in. I have a bit of an intolerance to cherries. I get a bit of an itchy throat, so I'm not going to add those, not cherries, nuts. So I'm not going to add those in anyway, but I do prefer my banana bread without in the first place. So I've got butter here. Let's get the rest. Also conveniently have loaf parchment paper, baking, whatever, and some loaf tins. Do I need to preheat the oven? 180. Just how I remember. Let's put it in the oven and set a timer for an hour to an hour and 15. So I'm going to do an hour and then check on it. 1 hour. What is the time though? It's 1:20, so I'm actually not going to be here to take it out. But I will show this evening me trying it. There we go, focus. Yeah, I will show myself trying it later. I'm gonna get my mother to take it out of the oven. I guess I should probably get ready for going to meet my friend for coffee. Because I'm not dressed for the outside world. It's a bit cold and I'm in a crop top, so I'm gonna put a jumper on and a jacket and all that. I've still got another half an hour until I have to leave, so that's okay. But yeah, see you in a bit. Right, I know you shouldn't check before the time's up, but it looks pretty good. I have to run, but it's going to be taken out in literally 6 minutes. And that's the call before you eat it anyway. Alright, I've got to go. I just dropped the dog off, and my coffee cup was in here as well. I need to take that downstairs. I folded the wrapping paper so that I would hide it in the bag. Don't know if that was a major mistake, but I got some stuff from them for Christmas. I'll be honest, I wasn't going to do anything, but I was on my way back from London Bridge, and well, actually yesterday when I got the dog, picked up the dog, I got home and she'd had a present waiting on my bed for me, because I think she thought it was Christmas yesterday. So my mom deals with like memory problem issues, and it's just me and her for Christmas. I've had like a couple Christmases on my own in the past few years, which is fine, I can handle it. I think I might do an issue on like mum and how, what's happened and what we've been dealing with, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I felt like I couldn't not give her anything to open on Christmas. I felt so bad. So actually London Bridge is amazing. Obviously got like some like sweet treat snacks, milk chocolate Florentines from M&S, and some pistachio and almond cookies, because mum loves anything with nuts in, so those are fab. Did coffee spill on this? Yeah, a little bit. Oh great, I hope there's not coffee in anything else. These two are from Paper Chase. These have got like, you can see, stars on, like rose gold, and then like that's literally the only wrapping paper they had. So, I mean, whether it goes or not, it's gonna have to do. And then I went to Whittards next. Mum has a hot chocolate before bed every evening. I don't know whether that's a habit that she picked up from hospital, because they used to go around with like tea and coffee like a couple times a day, and like, yeah, I guess she would have it in the evening tea, but she loves hot chocolate, so I got her luxury hot chocolate from Whittards. Hopefully it's nice. She is actually quite fussy with her hot chocolates, I'll see. And then I went to Paper Chase and I got this 2020 A4 diary. Oh no, it did leak on here a little bit. Hopefully that'll dry. You can't really see. Which is really nice, and due to everything that has happened with her in the past, she likes to keep a note of everything that she does every day, when she leaves the house, when she comes back, when she's taken her medication, and like when she's eaten and stuff. So I just thought if there was like a nice notebook with every day that she can write in, she would like that for the new year. And then she can keep track of her days as well. And then lastly I went to Body Shop, and these were actually reduced to £3 each, and it's a mini shea butter. There's mini body butter and body wash. This one's shea butter and this one's almond milk and honey, and they were reduced to £3 from £6, which is great. And who doesn't use body wash every day? So Not like anything crazy, not anything like really out there and outlandish, but like mother's not really one to like things like that anyway, so I got her like practical things. Did have a look in Whistles, but I didn't like anything, and I actually think London Bridge is actually a really good place to go last minute Christmas shopping on my way home, so I was actually really happy. So I'm going to check there's no prices or anything, and then I'm going to wrap these all up, which hopefully will look nice. We'll see. Okay, let's go. So the camera died. Let's pause because I had to charge the camera a little bit. But these are the finished presents. These ones I didn't do like a crossbow. I just did one bow around the front because it's a bit of awkward shape. But the rest of them, they're all bowed up. I just wanted to say I hope you all have a good Christmas, or have had a good Christmas. I don't know what time this is going up, but it probably is going up on Christmas Day. Whatever you do, big or small, it doesn't, like, I've had very chill, mellow Christmases on my own. I just hope you have a good day. I will see you before the new year, so hope you have a good Christmas. Hope you have lots and lots of food to eat and just a nice chilled day, to be honest. And I will see you in the next video, hopefully before New Year's. Bye.